The iconic show-stopping Middle Eastern dish that promises an unforgettable dining experience. Mutton Head Mandi here. Every bite delivers a delicious combination of a smoky aroma, succulent meat, and fluffy rice. Welcome to Delectable Eats, a place for every taste. Add salt, turmeric, and water to whole mutton head and pressure cook until tender. To prepare rice, start by heating oil and ghee in a heavy bottom pot. Add chopped onions, garlic, and green chilies along with whole spices and fry until golden. Now saute dry ingredients for a minute and add water. Bring the liquid to a rolling boil and add soaked rice. Cook on medium heat until most of the water is absorbed. Sprinkle saffron milk on top. Adding food color is totally optional. Cover and cook on low heat for 10 to 12 minutes. Meanwhile, place the head in a baking tray and mix same dry spices used for rice with water. And brush it on tender mutton head. Grill in oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Now remove lid and gently fluff the rice. Arrange whole mutton head on top and garnish with nuts and fried onions. You should definitely try making it. Eat and treat, subscribe for more.